In this video, we'll be introducing you to Guesty's damage protection offering and show you how you can easily protect your properties from damages in just a few clicks. The damage protection offering is designed to cover your rental properties against damages caused by guests to your contents, whether it's a damaged sofa cushion, a stain on the rug, or a broken household appliance. You can make a claim for compensation directly within Guesty, all without having to deal with security deposits or to confront guests, which can potentially lead to bad reviews and charge disputes. The damage protection offering is available here via this icon in the top corner. If you're already within that section, just click View Plans to get started. First, you'll choose a coverage plan. As you can see, there are several options to choose from. Select the most appropriate plan based on the required coverage amount and the cost per reservation. Next, choose which properties should be covered. By default, the plan covers all properties, but you can choose to cover properties in certain cities or those that have certain tags, or to simply add specific properties one by one. Note that when selecting all, or by rule, any relevant properties you add to Guesty in the future will automatically be covered. The plan will cover both new and existing reservations with future check-in dates, but if you'd like to only cover confirmed reservations received after setting up the damage protection offering, go ahead and uncheck this box. Just one more step to go, and then you're covered. Simply review the policy details, read and agree to the terms and conditions, and click Confirm. The total cost of covered reservations will be added to your Guesty invoice at the end of each month. Charging guests an additional fee can be a great way to cover these expenses, or even allow you to mark up the cost of the service to increase your revenue. You can learn how to set up additional fees via this link in the pop-up, or at any time in the future by searching for additional fees in our help center. Now that you're done, you'll see a summary of the plan here. Details of the coverage will also appear on each relevant reservation in Guesty. Once a claim can be submitted, this button will appear. Should you need to file a damage-related claim, simply click it and follow the claim submission instructions on screen. So, what are you waiting for? Click View Plans and start protecting your properties today.